Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get summer coins in Grow a Garden. Alright, let's begin. To earn summer coins in Grow a Garden, participate in the hourly summer harvest events. These events happen every hour and last for 10 minutes. You'll need to submit summer crops, plants introduced during the seasonal update, into the central cart managed by the NPC named Georgia. Each summer crop earns you harvest points depending on its rarity. Common crops give you 1 point, while divine crops give you 6 points. During the Mega Summer Harvest, you can also submit prismatic crops, which are worth 7 points. Your total harvest points determine the number of summer coins you receive. The rule is simple: coins equal points minus 1. So, if you earn 10 points, you'll receive 9 summer coins at the end of the event. Summer coins are valuable because they allow you to buy exclusive, limited-time items in the summer shop. You can purchase things like unique seeds, seasonal pets, the Oasis Seg hamster gear, and even crafting materials for special items like the Traveler's Fruit. These coins are only available during the seasonal events, so be sure to participate regularly to make the most of the rewards and unlock exclusive content before the event ends. So that's basically how you can get summer coins in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.